In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WordPress using Godaddy. Whether you're starting your first blog or looking to establish a professional website, this guide will help you get things rolling smoothly. So, let's dive in and simplify the process for you. First, we want to get to the Godaddy dashboard. To start, open up your web browser and head over to Godaddy's official website. You'll need to log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Just take a moment to create one. Once you're logged in, the interface will direct you to your dashboard, the control center for managing your Godaddy products and services. Now that you're on the dashboard, you want to look for the Hosting and WordPress section. This is where you'll handle all the aspects related to hosting your website. The link to this section is prominently displayed, but if you can't immediately spot it, do a quick scroll or look for a menu that mentions Web Hosting or WordPress. Clicking on Hosting and WordPress will bring you to a page where you can see the various hosting plans offered by Godaddy. To move forward, you'll need to purchase a hosting plan. If you haven't already selected a plan, Godaddy offers a range of options tailored to different needs, whether you're planning to run a small personal site or something more extensive for a company. Take some time to review these plans and select the one that best fits your current situation and future growth objectives. Once you've made your choice, follow the prompts to buy your hosting plan. After purchasing, you'll have access to set up WordPress on your site directly from the Godaddy interface. You can usually find an option to install WordPress within your hosting options. This will often be a straightforward, guided setup process that will have your WordPress ready in a few clicks. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Be attentive to any additional choices or options you might want during this setup, such as premium themes or plugins that could enhance your website's functionality and appearance. Remember, a few final tips. Keep your login credentials safe and secure, as you'll need them frequently. Maintenance is part of managing a website, so take advantage of Godaddy's resources, including their customer support, if you ever run into any issues or need expert guidance. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to embark on your WordPress journey with Godaddy. Enjoy creating and managing your website, and don't forget to explore all the features WordPress offers to create a site that truly represents you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building.